So, my dear students, after the long intervals, I am here again to teach you mathematics. So, now without wasting much time, let me start one of the lessons from your second terms. Obviously, before appearing the second terms, first of all, you will have to appear formative 2. In formative 2, all the things more or less have been finished other than one lesson. That one is linear equations. Yes, today I am going to start linear equations. Yes, this linear equation is not at all a new thing for you people. Already you have done these particular things in the earlier classes. Only some repetitions. And the difference you will find that the level of the questions, it is quite little bit difficult one. Anyway, before starting, two exercises here in linear equations. One is exercise 8a, other is 8b. And these particular two lessons, and obviously one more lesson is there, that one is the objective type questions. Obviously that objective type questions, I am going to keep that particular things for your practice only. And only you will find that from exercise 8a, only 28, 29 questions only are there. And few 5 or 6 questions are there in the example. That one is not more than sufficient. You should take practice from the different books even also. Okay, keep that one, give that particular responsibilities, that what type of questions I am going to supply that particular question as an assignments. First of all, let us start. Okay, much introductions I have given. Now, first of all, I am going to solve one question. That one is question number 6. Question number 6. The question says that 3x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. Yes, these particular things I have told you that this is an equations. Why this is an equations? Because two expressions are there, and between these two expressions one equal sign is there in between, so it is an equations. And this one is linear equations. Why? Because on the variables x, these are the variables. On the variables the maximum power is 1. That's why it is linear equations. And this is linear equations is one variable, because only one single variable you are finding here. Yes, 2 variables questions also are there, 3 variables questions are there, but this particular type of questions you will find in standard 10, not even in 9. Anyway, now what you will have to do here? Yes, you know very well in the earlier classes that for this particular things we will have to find out the value of the variables. You will have to find the value of x in such a way that if we are going to put that value of x here, and if we are going to take the simplifications, whatever the result will come here, the same value if we are going to put here, and after the simplifications, you will find that the final result from both the sides will come same. So that value only you will have to find. Now the question is how it will be. In that case, what you will have to do, you have to shift all the variables in one side of the equations. And obviously whenever you are going to start an equations, you should put here with therefore sign or sign or implies that sign. No, not with equal sign. This is strictly prohibited. If you are going to put here equal sign, then you will find that the things will look very funny. That equal to 3x plus 2. It's quite funny. So prefer use therefore sign or implies that sign. I prefer therefore sign, and I am going to ask you to put therefore sign. Anyway, therefore. So I have told you that first of all you have to shift all the x in one side. So therefore it will be 3x, this plus 2x is coming here, minus 2x will be equal to plus 2 by 3 is going to that side, already 1 is there, minus 2 by 3. Okay, and 3x minus 2x, it is equal to x. 3x, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1x should be, so I am not going to write here 1, which is equal to, yes, obviously 1 by 1 it is, 1 and 3's LCM is 3. And 3 ones are 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 3. So this is actually the value of x. And I have told you this is that value of x. If we are going to substitute this value of x here, and if we are going to take the simplifications, whatever the result will come, if the same is coming from here, then our answer is correct. Yes, in the examinations hall, what you will have to do? You have to do the verifications by yourself. Okay, so let us verify the things. Sometime in the questions it will be given to you, verifications, verify. So if it will be given, then you can do the verifications like this way. Here they are not asking you, but what I prefer that you should do the verifications in the rough column. Okay, not this much of details way, but when you're very fast. Anyway, what we'll have to do? Put x is equal to 1 by 3. Then what will happen? LHS. LHS is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 by 3. Yes, in place of x, I am going to substitute here 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 is supposed to be cancelled. 1 plus 2 by 3, what I feel it will come as 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 2 is 5 by 3. Now let us do the verifications from RHS. Now same things, going to put x is equal to 2 by 3 there, 1 by 3 there. So it will be 2 by 3, x is equal to 1 by 3 if we are going to put, plus 1, again it is coming 5 by 3. So therefore LHS we are finding is equal to RHS and verified. If they are asking you to show the verifications, you have to do the things this way, in detail this way you have to give. Otherwise, you can do the verifications by yourself also for your satisfaction that if your answer is correct or not. Okay, so one of the questions I have solved, obviously what way I have solved here, what way I have shown you here. Okay, that much of details I am not going to apply on the other questions. Okay, so let us try to solve one more question. But one thing I am going to always I am actually asking you these particular things, that do the studies seriously. Do your studies seriously. No. Questions number 11. 2x plus 7 divided by 5 minus 3x plus 11 divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus 8 divided by 3 and minus 5. Okay, so let us do therefore side. 5 questions number 11 is the next question. What is required to do? Let me check the questions once again. Usually I am doing the mistakes for writing the questions. X minus questions number 11. 2x plus 7 by 5 minus 3x plus 11 by 2 is equal to 2x plus 8 by 3 minus 5. Okay. So therefore 10 is the LCM. 2 supposed to multiply with 8. 2x plus 7 minus 5 supposed to multiply with 8. 3x plus 11 will be equal to 2x plus 8 minus 15 divided by 3. So therefore 2 2s are 4x plus 7 2s are 14 will be equal to 15x minus 55 divided by 10. Okay, will be equal to 2x plus not plus, minus 7 by 3. Therefore, this is, I have done a mistake. This is 15x minus 15x minus 55. So therefore, 4x minus 15x, 11x minus 11x, and this one is minus 1 and 4, 41. And now take the cross multiplication at the same time. 3 is coming here, will be equal to 10 into 2x minus 7. Therefore, minus 33x minus 3 ones are 3 fours are 123 equal to 20x minus 70. Therefore, minus 33x, I am going to put all the x together, that is minus 20x is coming here, plus 20x it is here, minus 20x is equal to plus 123 is going there, minus 70. Therefore, it will be there 353x, obviously minus 53x, and this one is equal to 353. So therefore, x is equal to 53 divided by minus 53, which is equal to minus 1, and that will be our answer. I think this is clear. Yes, same way you will have to do the verifications by putting the value of x in the left hand side as well as in the right hand sides. Okay, beta? Well, now the next question is, next question is question number 15. Question number 15. 3 into y minus 5 divided by 4 minus 4y is equal to 3 minus y minus 3 divided by 2. Anyway, so let us proceed. Therefore, sign. So I have the questions. 4y means 4y by 1. So therefore, 4 is the LCM. 3y minus 15 minus 16y divided by 4, okay, 4 4 is 16 is equal to 3 2 is 6 minus bracket y minus, don't forget to use a bracket, divided by 2. So therefore 3y minus 16y minus 13y naturally minus 15 by 4 will be equal to 6 minus y plus 3 by 2. Bracket has been opened here. Now I am going to shift this 4 only here. So 13y minus 15 will be equal to 6 plus 3 is 9 minus y by 2, 4 is coming here. Why I have shifted only 4 here? Because it will cancel. Okay, all these things will come to your mind that 2 is not equal to shift here. It is due to your practice only. So therefore, minus 13y minus 15, and now 2 is going to multiply with 9, 18 minus 2y. So therefore, minus 13y and plus 2y will be equal to 18 plus 15. Therefore, minus 11y is equal to, I think it is 33. So therefore, y will be equal to 33 divided by minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. Answer. You can verify the things. Now the next questions. Last question it is from this exercise. Fourth question. Question number 24. Question is 2x minus bracket 7 minus 5x divided by, yes, whole divided by, and it is 9x minus bracket 3 plus 4x is equal to 7 by 6. Therefore, 2x minus 7 plus 5x. The bracket has been opened here, and at the same time I am shifting this 6 here, will be equal to 7 brackets 9x minus 3 minus 4x. Minus 3 minus 4x. Now 5 plus 2, 7x minus 7 into 6 will be equal to 7 into 9x minus 4x is 5x minus 3. So therefore 6 sevens are 42, x minus 42 is equal to minus 35, only plus 35 it is, minus 21. Okay, only simplification it is not more than that, but don't underestimate all these simplifications. Minus 35 is equal to plus 42 minus 21. Therefore, 7x, 42 minus 35, 7x will be equal to, it is 1 to 21. Therefore, x will be equal to 21 by 7 is equal to 3. So this is my last questions from this particular exercise. Okay, beta? So next day we are going to start 8b. Yes, for 8b, it is problem based on linear equations. It will take a little bit time, 2 to 3 classes will be required. Okay, that much it is sufficient.